Welcome to our video on Lead Score in Marketing Accelerator demo with Alteryx. Lead scoring is an objective ranking of one sales lead against another. It not only helps align the right follow-up to the corresponding inquiry, but it also helps marketing and sales professionals identify where each prospect is in the buying process. Our approach is very simple and based on 3 tenets. 1. Earn trust. 2. Be business outcomes focused. 3. Execute flawlessly. Welcome to this Alteryx Designer tutorial on lead scoring. In this video, we'll explore how to use logistic regression to assign lead scores to potential customers, helping sales reps identify the most promising leads to focus their efforts on. Step 1. Let's start by importing the CSV data file into Alteryx Designer using an input tool. Step 2. To ensure accurate data analysis, we use a select tool to identify the data types of each column. For numerical columns, we adjust the data type accordingly. Step 3. Now, we employ the data transpose and filter tool to check for missing values in our dataset. Only the specialization column has missing values. To gain insights into its distribution, we use the summarize tool. Step 4. In the specialization column, we find some values that are irrational. We'll use a formula tool to create a new category others for both missing and irrelevant values. Step 5. With the data pre-processed, it's time to build our predictive model for lead scoring. Since our target variable is binary, 0 or 1, indicating conversion, we'll use a logistic regression model, a simple yet powerful choice for binary classification problems. Step 6. Before fitting the logistic regression model, we remove the ID label as it doesn't serve as a predictor. We also create dummy features for the categorical variables with multiple levels to enable their use in the model. Step 7. To evaluate our model's performance, we split the data into a training set and a testing set, following a 70-30 ratio. Step 8. Now, we fit the logistic regression model to the training dataset and assess its accuracy. Step 9. With predictions on the training dataset, we create a confusion matrix comparing actual conversions with predicted conversions for each lead in the train set. Step 10. Finally, we assign a lead score to the trained dataset based on the calculated probability. And there you have it. By following these steps, we have successfully built a logistic regression model for lead scoring in Alteryx Designer. With this lead scoring system in place, sales reps can now focus their efforts on the most promising leads, increasing the chances of converting potential customers into loyal clients. Inquire about our complete Marketing Accelerators bundles. Follow us and like us on LinkedIn and visit our Marketing Accelerator page, www.fewdetroncorp.com/marketingaccelerator. Thank you and see you soon for a live demo.